A light magnitude 2.5 earthquake hit 26 kilometers, 16 miles, away from Tripoli, Peloponnese, Greece, in the morning of Monday, May 26, 2025 at 10:10 a.m. local time, GMT+3. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, Auth after 2 minutes. The earthquake occurred 12 hours after a magnitude 3.6 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 25, 2025, at 9:59 p.m. GMT+3 local time, in 50 kilometers, 31 miles, distance to the northwest. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.